went to this fair in Mississippi, and these girls were selling slime, and I thought it was cool, so I wanted to start one. I do fluffy, where it's like super soft and inflating. Then there's butter, where it's soft and spreadable. There's a cloud type where like you can pull it and it looks like kinetic sand.
She had been talking about wanting to start one for several months before we finally did it, and she really stuck with it. Her tenacity and commitment to wanting to learn how to do it and teaching herself how to make all the different kinds, really showed us, she's into it. We need to support her. And so I started researching how to start a business online, and it just kind of took off from there.
So as a teacher, that's the kind of things you want to see from your kids. You want to see them successful. You don't really expect to see it in 5th grade. You hope that in years to come you'll hear their name, you'll see their faces, or other teachers will brag about them. But for her to have the initiative in her own business at such a young age is amazing. And to take what she's learned, I didn't have anything to do with it, so I can't take credit for it, but I will definitely encourage it and bolster it. And that's the other thing, like having her here and showing the kids how to do this and talk about her success will hopefully inspire them to do the same thing as well, and know that it doesn't matter your age, you can still be awesome and successful, and if you have a dream, to go for it.